Hello friends traveling. Thank you for still following this channel. I hope all friends are always good in health. Friends of HolidayTV. This time I try to spoil my friends' eyes by presenting the beauty of the island of the gods, Bali. I try to introduce one of the interesting and beautiful tourist attractions to visit, such as GGR Beach, Biratan Lake, Pure Tanah Lot, Tababan. Geger is a convenient beach, no ladders. To spend the day at the beach, this location welcomes visitors with children. In addition, it features the warmest beach in Bali for water temperature. There are also many foreign tourists from outside Indonesia who surf, because the waves on the island of Bali are perfect for surfing. We hope that traveling friends are entertained by this video, and that friends are interested in visiting Kuta Bali tourism in Indonesia. HolidayTV friends, continue to follow the next videos by subscribing so that holiday friends don't miss the next tourist spots. Thank you and goodbye.